Hey YouTube, what's up? I just got back from Zoomies and I picked up something real special. Guess what it is? Well, you guessed, long enough. It's a drinking hat. See, it has the two straws, one, two, then the one, these three are connected, then it runs through the hat. And that's the straw. And today I tried it out. I used a brisk and a Mountain Dew. And now I'm just gonna get some Mountain Dew and some brisk. Don't be looking at my refrigerator. Oh my gosh. Crap. Okay, hold on. Okay, we got it. Now, if you just give me a second. Drop that in there. I'm gonna do them at the same time. I'm gonna take the tag off. Here. Okay. That's one of them. It's two of them. Bottom. And wow, it's heavy. Pretty heavy, pretty heavy. Just to drop this. Oh. Hold on.